Question 17. Simplify fully 3x squared minus 8x minus 3 all over 2x squared minus 6x. Whenever you have an algebraic fraction and you have to simplify, you're going to have to factorize. So I'm going to start with the bottom of the fraction here because I can see that factorizes into one bracket. There's a common factor of 2x squared and negative 6x. For a start, 2 goes into 2 and x goes into x squared and the x next to the 6. So if I factorize out 2x, I will have next to it x minus 3. 2x times x will give me 2x squared. 2x times minus 3 will give me minus 6x. And I've picked up my first mark. This now gives me a hint, the x minus 3, as to what might be factorized into the top of the fraction, because they might cancel out. If there's nothing that's going to cancel out, the instruction to simplify fully is kind of a bit misleading, so use your workings to help you. Now there's no common factor of 3, 8 and 3, and there's no x with the 3, so this is going to factorize into two brackets, and one of them I'm expecting it to be x minus 3. So I need two numbers that multiply to minus 3. They're going to add up to 8 once this 3 is taken into account. So the only two numbers that multiply to minus 3 are going to be minus 3 and plus 1. So I'm going to have my x minus 3 there, and I'm going to have 3x plus 1 here. Now the reason why it has to be 3x is that 3x times x gives me 3x squared. If I didn't put the 3 there, I'd have no chance. If I was going to expand this bracket using FOIL, 3x times minus 3 is minus 9x, plus that 1x here gives me the minus 8x. This top row is correct. I now have my second mark. Notice it says simplify fully, so we're looking for things that will cancel. Well, if I'm going to have an x minus 3 on both sides of the fraction, they can cancel out, and I'm left with 3x plus 1 over 2x, and I have my third mark. Don't forget, please subscribe if you're finding these videos useful.